Hello everyone, this is my submission or project tool for CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. So to show you guys how follow my projects, firstly let me run the server. So this is the interface of my project. In the interface you will see the active listing. And if you click detail button, you will be redirected to the details, which is all about the item that you select. As you can see, you cannot see other feature and except active listing and categories because you haven't logged in yet. So if you log in, so let's get started with placing bed. For placing bed, you have to bet higher than the current highest bet, which is 64. So if you type 63 and bet now, you will see the error that you have to bet higher than that. So if I bet 65, you will get the successful message on top of that. Then you have another feature that you can write a comment as you like hello world. And if you post comment, and you will see your message is added. Watchlist button, and if you click that one, it will update the watchlist button and your item is updated here. And if you go back there and remove from watchlist, you won't see the items anymore. Another way is you are also allowed to add a new listing, but you have to fill some information about it. Right now I have filled some information, and if I click create listing, you will see an item was created by using my detail. In this case, you cannot place your bed because you are the setter of this item. And if you go back to logger and log in as other user, and for this item, Richard is the seller, and so she is allowed to end the listing. So if I click end listing, you will see placing bed and writing a command feature is disappear, and this information is appear, which says as you can see, it shows winners. So if you go to course listing, you will see some item that you already entered listing. And if you go to Chandler account, and in categories, you will see some categories that already list. But if you click fashion, and you will see some item that are under the category name of fashion. But if you go to another categories, which is book, you will see no item because any item related to books haven't sent. So if you go to this fish item tank, you will see the message that is said Chandler won this auction. So another is if I go to admin page, you will see some categories that you can do whatever you want. You will see auction, and which you see it in the interface before, and you can do whatever you want. You can change category or creator or status as you like, and you will see all the detail about bet, who bet amount, and when. As you can see here, and for the categories, you will see same thing, and you will also see command and who tags what tags. And if you go this one, and you can delete whatever you want. For user, I have 4 users.